Hello, my name is Aaron Babcock. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be looking at children's press, basically for grade schoolers, be it public school, homeschool, charter school, private school. I really believe these presidential books are very good to have, and they're a good price. They average about $4 each, and they have lots of pictures inside them, and it's very easy to read inside. So they're called the Encyclopedia of Presidents, and each president has a different author. So we'll look at some of the pictures. I think they're really good. It's easy to read, as you can tell. The lines are really separated, so it's a lot easier on the eyes. And there's just really good pictures. And so that's a famous drawing crossing the Delaware River. On Christmas, 1776. So, anyway, that's for George Washington. And after you read these books, children, students, teachers, parents, having biographies on these really back up these books really well. It's good to research a lot of old biography dates, like the originals, how the originals and the newest biographies can come together, because the newest books have new discoveries. You just have to watch out for edited history and revisionist history. They've made a lot of books thinner because they don't have the room for all the truth, so it's a limited amount of truth of what they pick out. So it's good to get unabridged books so you get the complete picture, and books that surround that are potential witnesses to that time period as well, to kind of solidify and concrete your facts and truth to history. So anyway, this is John Adams, second president. So a lot more of the same. Nice pictures. John Quincy Adams. There's a timeline. A good way of memorizing historical dates and events when you're teaching history. So anyway, that's kind of what that looks like. And Thomas Jefferson, the third president. You have Madison. And you have James Monroe. John Quincy Adams. Got Andrew Jackson. Martin Van Buren. William Henry Harrison. John Tyler. And James Polk. I have them all the way up into the late 40s. So let's get down to this book here. In the next video, I want to go over this book, and I want to go over this book a little bit. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you like these videos over time, and I hope that's a good starter kit for children and students and even adults. I think those are really good books. They get to the point, and the biographies really help make people really smarter on the personality of each president. So I will talk to you later, and I hope you enjoy all the videos that I've been uploading. Thank you very much. Take care.